Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast showroom. It's December 12th, 2021, and we're going to be unboxing a 2017 Hot Wheels today. We've got the 69 Ford Torino Talladega from the HW Flame series, number 4 of 10. I've been waiting a long time to get this one open. Well, I haven't had it since 2017. I've actually had it since this year. I got it at my collectibles store. This is 182 of 365 for 2017. And you can see how little glue there is. It's just going to pop off when I open it. 4 of 10 from the HW Flame series. This is from H-Case. DBV44 is the number. And this is from the Hot Wheels Flame series, as voted for online, all featuring cool flame details. And this is number 4 of 10 of that series. 2015 copyright. 2017s always have a 2015 copyright. Alright, let's get this open. What? Okay. That was a lot cleaner than I wanted it to, expected it to be, but definitely awesome. Look at that. Look how little glue there is on that. I like that. 69 Ford Torino Talladega 2017 Hot Wheels. And this thing is sick. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the card. I'm definitely saving the... Well, I save all the cards. No matter how much I tear it up, I'm saving the card. I might eventually throw them all out, but as for now, I'm not really intending to throw them out. You can see these 5-spoke wheels. They spin independently, which is pretty cool. And I'll give you a nice look at it. This is a very nice, sleek casting. 69 Ford Torino Talladega 2017 HW Flame series. And boy, you can see those flames all right. Look at all those flames. And it's got a beautiful metal flake purple. One of my favorite colors of cars. And you can just see how beautiful that looks. You can see the gray interior. Awesome casting. And this one has a chrome bumper. And it's a little dim, like there's just an LED light above me, so this gives it a nice showroom effect. And look at that, you can see how detailed that interior is. Beautiful American muscle car. Ford Torino Talladega. And this one has a chrome plastic base. 2008 copyright, and it's made in Malaysia. Thanks for tuning in and watching me unbox a 2017 Hot Wheels. Please subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.